Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up your own dropshipping account by using Shopify. Shopify is one of those tools that's available right now online, which is one of the biggest and most important for you to use in order to get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And Shopify lets you get a Shopify account for 90 days. So go ahead, click the link in the description and get Shopify for 90 days. The future of business is in your hands to shape, and you can sign up for free trial and enjoy a 3-month Shopify just for $1. Now, the thing that really makes Shopify stand out is that this is one of those tools that gives you full control and customizability over your work and your items and your landing pages, because they have a free website design that you can launch your store quickly and easily. And Shopify takes care of everything from marketing and payments to secure transaction and even shipping. And millions of users trust Shopify to manage their online stores. And it's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is click on start your free trial, but before you do that, you gotta put your email address. Once you add your email address, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked a simple question, that is, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off, or you're already selling online or in person? Now, this is a very important question because this determines that do you have the experience to sell online or you don't. And obviously, if you do not have the experience, then Shopify will guide you step by step to ensure that you don't make any mistakes whatsoever and you get the right setup in place that ensures that you'll be able to sell all your items properly and in the effective way. So we're gonna go with I'm just starting off, and once you click on it, all you need to do is click on next, which takes you to the second question, is where would you like to sell? And you can pick as many as you like, and you can always come and change these later. But the main thing over here is that you will be able to give the information to Shopify to give them a chance and the ability to customize your dashboard to ensure that you get the right assistance and guidance. So you can go with the online store, you can go with an existing website or blog. You can even say that you're selling on social media or online marketplaces or in person, or you're not sure. But we're going to go with the online store where we can create a fully customizable website. And once you have selected it, all you need to do is click on next, which takes us to the main and most important element, which is the store name. Now, this is a tip for you guys, which is very important that you give some consideration and research in order to select a name that really stands out. And the name should scream quality. It should give a sense of belonging to your customer. It should be the ability to give a sense to your customer that this is a place that they will get a quality and high level product, which is going to be one of the best that they'll be able to find on the internet. And obviously that is connected to the store name. So please make sure that you select a store name that really stands out and that has the right meaning in relation to the product or the items that you're selling on your Shopify account. So once you have selected a name, all you need to do is click on next, which brings us to the last step before the free trial starts, is that what would you want to continue with? Your email address, your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, or your Gmail. So we're going to go with our email, and once we select our email, the next page that we're going to look at is our dashboard. Once you land on the dashboard, you'll see on the left hand side you'll get a couple of options such as the home, the orders, the product, the customers, the analytics, the marketing, the discounts, and your online store, as well as the apps that are available that you can use to integrate into your Shopify account and get a competitive advantage from all the individuals that do not understand how to use this. But the two things that you have to keep in mind and have to use are the analytics and the marketing, because this is the place that you'll be able to find all the data and analyze that data to understand where your customers are coming from, what are they buying and how much are they buying it for. And based on that information, you'll be able to create amazing products for your customers and give them a chance to find products that they are not able to find on the internet in other places. On the main dashboard, you'll see the setup guide where you can add your first product by clicking the add product and add the brand assets, as well add a custom domain and even customize your theme. And the thing that I absolutely love about Shopify is their support. Their help system is one of the best. They're always available to support, to guide, to assist you to ensure that you do not make any mistakes. And their Shopify Learn is very unique, where it gives you a step-by-step guidance on how to best set up your business online. They have different courses that are available that help you run a successful business with video courses taught by industry experts and business owners. Their community is one of the best that ensures that you will always be supported by other individuals that are on the same niche or working in the same area such as you. Once you have gone through all these elements, you'll see a small black box on the right bottom side corner. You need to click on it, and obviously once you click on it, it will say that enjoy 3 months of Shopify just for $1 when you sign up for a month monthly, basic, or starter pack. So we're going to click the pick a plan. And once we click pick a plan, we'll get the different options that are available. Now, before I get into the options, the thing that I want to mention over here is that you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for 1 month on selected plans. Now, there's two options to pay. One is monthly and the other is yearly. If you go for the first year, you'll get 10%. For 2 years, you'll get 20%. And for 3 years, you will save up to 25%. But we're going to stick with monthly. And the reason for that is because you always want to start with a small cost to yourself. So your fixed cost needs to be minimized as much as you can. So with the basic Shopify, you'll get everything that you need to create a store, ship products, and process payments. And just for $1 per month for the first 3 months, the transaction fee for all the payment providers is going to be 2%, and the currency conversion fee is going to be 2%. And the features is that you'll get 2 staff members up to 4 locations. Now, this is a question that is asked by a lot of people, that what do these locations tend to mean? Now, you need to keep in mind that once you start dropshipping by using Shopify, you will be an individual, a business owner who will be globally looking at every single individuals on earth. And obviously, by using the different formats such as Facebook, Twitter, you'll be able to find individuals from all over the globe. And this gives you an amazing opportunity where you'll be able to sell your product to people from all over the globe. And that gives you a chance to set up shop in different locations. So you can sell in the US, you can sell in Canada, you can sell in India, you can sell in China, you can sell in the UK or even Australia and New Zealand. So it really depends on where your customers are and what product you're selling. And based on that, you'll be able to get the right customer, the right product in the right location. If you go for the $49 per month, you'll be able to get a transaction fee for all the payment providers at 1% and a currency conversion fee of 2%. You'll get 5 staff members and up to 5 locations. And my personal favorite, you'll be able to get professional reports. And why this matters is because you'll be able to analyze the data that you get. And based upon that analysis, you'll be able to increase your productivity and efficiency to ensure that you're getting the right product to the right people at the right time. And once after you have gained a lot of momentum, you can always go for the $299 per month, where the transaction fee for all the payment providers is going to be 0.5% and the currency conversion fee is going to be 2%. But the additional element and support that you're going to get with this particular package is that you'll get the duties and import taxes rate at 0.85%. But the features are very interesting and makes it really stand out that you get 15 staff members and up to 8 locations across the globe. And you get professional reports and advanced report builders, as well as international pricing and duties and import taxes as well. And you get different options of shipping. Now, the thing over here that you have to keep in mind that once you choose the $1 for the first 3 months, you get a transaction fee of 5%. And below that, you get 1 user and shareable product page. But all the plans include the shareable product pages, unlimited products, 24/7 support, the fraud analysis, abandoned card recovery, manual order creation, gift cards, and so much more. And combining all these elements together, you'll be able to create something that is truly very unique and something that will really stand out and give you a competitive advantage in the industry. So if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out, to guide you, support you, and assist you. And if you've not already registered for Shopify, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and even on Twitter, to give everyone an opportunity to get the financial freedom that they've been dreaming about and get the ability to do drop shipping and actually become independent. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.